Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to use my brand new DREO ChefMaker to make bourbon maple wings. Let's go. Alright, we need to make our seasoning. So I need half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm just going to give this a little mix. I'm going to throw my wings in here. And then I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of canola oil just to coat the chicken. And then I'm going to start mixing my chicken wings into my spices. So I'm just kind of getting these all coated here. And I'm going to set these aside for a second batch later. Okay, so this is my DREO ChefMaker that I got quite a while ago, but I got my mom one for Christmas, so I haven't used mine yet, so she wouldn't see it. And so we're going to try that out today. So this recipe calls for the water tank, so I'm going to fill it to the fill line and put the cover back on. Then I'm going to add my chicken wings to the basket, making sure to put them in a single layer. There we go. Okay, and then we are going to put our basket in, go to chef mode, find poultry, chicken wings, and hit start. And it says don't overfill the basket, lay the food flat on the cooking tray. We're going to start cooking. Alright, our chicken has about 6 minutes left, so I'm going to go ahead and get our sauce going. I need a half a cup of ketchup, which is 8 tablespoons. Then I need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and I don't have that, so I'm just using white balsamic, 4 tablespoons of whiskey or bourbon. And we're going to get that heating in my new Hexclad pans that I'm so excited about. You can use metal utensils even though it is non-stick. I just don't like the sound of it. But we'll get that heating and then we'll add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Alright, now that it is bubbling, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix that in. Alright, it looks darkened. I can kind of smell that the alcohol has cooked out, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat off. There's about 1.5 minutes left on my wings, and then we'll throw them in here and toss them in our sauce. I'm going to keep stirring just so nothing burns while we wait. But it has thickened and it smells really good. I love these pans because literally nothing is sticking even with all the sugar in the pan. Oh, amazing. Thanks, Mom. Alright, it is finished. Let's pull them out. Oh, they look fantastic. So now I'm just going to toss my wings into my sauce and we'll coat them and they will be ready to serve. And there we have it. Alright, now all we need to do is plate these up and serve them. I am so excited to try these. I really love how quickly and perfectly the DREO ChefMaker cooked these. So I am a fan. I'm really glad we bought it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.